Buick GMC, we want you to know what to do if your check engine light comes on. First of all, don't panic. If it's blinking, it might be urgent, so get your vehicle to our shop as soon as possible. If it's not blinking, it could be something as simple as a loose gas cap. So give that a try, and if it doesn't do the trick, give us a call at 509-209-9966 or visit our website to schedule an appointment online at beckerbuickgmc.com.